Has this ever happened to you? You see something awesome, get super excited to learn it, but when things get tough, you just leave it. It looks super easy when they are doing it, but when it comes to you, it just doesn't work for you. And then you think, maybe I'm not good at this.
Maybe I'm not good at this.
Maybe I'm not good at this. Trust me, I went through the same situation. But what if I told you learning anything in just 1 month is not anymore impossible? Not by watching endless tutorials, not by copying anyone else, but following a simple method that actually works. By the end of this video, you will learn how to be good at any skill in just 1 month. So let's break it down. Step 1. Have a strong reason or else you will quit. First things first, you need a proper reason, not just, oh, that looks cool. It won't keep you going. Think about it. Anything you are already good at, there was a proper reason behind it. Maybe you had to learn it for work, or maybe it was a challenge, or maybe you really wanted it. For example, I wanted to post better content online, so I had to learn video editing. This reason kept me going even when things got hard. I'm still in the learning phase. But even before that, I started to learn Blender 3D. But there was no proper reason and I just quit after some days. Same for you. If you have a proper reason, you will stick to it. That's it. So before you start, ask yourself, why do I want to learn this? Step 2. First, just watch it. Don't start practicing it yet. Most people mess up by jumping straight into tutorials and copying them. Instead, do this. Find a few videos that explain what it is and how it works. Just don't start doing it yet. I will tell you why shortly. Then find one detailed tutorial which is about 3 to 4 hours or anything longer or shorter as per your preference and watch it from beginning to end. Don't do anything yet. Let that sink in. Why? Because when you see the full process, your brain understands what's coming next. You will get an idea of what's easy, what's hard, and in which part you have to focus more on. Step 3. Pick a small and a real project. For example, if you want to learn video editing, don't just copy some random tutorials. Instead of that, find some travel videos or vlogs of yours and start by editing that. Why? Because when you work on something that really interests you, you want to finish it. And that's the real trick of learning fast. Step 4. Search only when you are stuck. Now this is important. Don't try to learn everything even before starting. Just start your project and search whenever you are stuck on something. For example, you started to edit your travel videos or vlog videos, but at one point you don't know how to add slow motion. At that time, you just have to search how to add slow motion in DaVinci Resolve or any other software which you are using. Find the solution, apply it, and just move on. The same applies for coding, designing, and any other skill. This way, you always stay in action mode instead of getting lost in endless tutorials. Step 5 and the most important one, be consistent. Do at least for 30 days. Now let's be real. After 1 month, you won't be the best video editor or the best coder or the best designer.
What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean?
But one thing is sure, you will be way better than most of the beginners. Why? Because most of the people quit in the initial days. Because there are no strong reason or they are not following these steps. And what if you keep going for few more months? And that's when you will really become the best. So let's recap. First, you should have a strong reason. Then watch some videos and try to understand what it is and how it works. Then start by doing some real projects. And while doing the projects, when you are stuck at something, search for that particular solution, apply it, and then just move on. And the final one, be consistent. Be consistent at least for 30 days. You will become good at it. So next time if you want to learn something, don't just start and quit it. Follow this method and I can guarantee you that you will be good at it after 30 days. So let me know in the comments which all skills you started learning but quitted after some days. See you in the next video.